Sophie, are you gonna smile or do you like your carrots? Sophie. Hi. Howdy. She's like, I'm not falling for it. Are those good carrots? Sophie. Make sure you guys watching the TV.
She don't mind She don't mind eating sweet vegetables. You know, carrots, sweet potatoes. She loves the hell out of sweet potatoes. So.
I'm recording you. Look at her blanket.
I know.
Sophie. Oh, she almost got it up her nose.
Oh, just get her hands out of the way.
Happiest baby. Say hi, Daddy.
Hey. Come here.
Is this the first time she's tried carrots?
I don't know.
I think it is. She's already tried sweet potatoes. She hated the peas.
Yeah, she threw those up. That's not pretty.
Sophie. It's coming back out, Jake.
It does.
Sophie, I love you. Say hi, Soph. Say hi.